Use gloves when making or handling homemade borax ant killer to prevent skin irritation and accidental ingestion. When preparing borax baits, mix 1 part borax with 3 parts sugar or honey and stir until evenly combined, keeping the powder away from wet surfaces to avoid clumping. Work in a well-ventilated area and measure ingredients over a tray so spills are contained. Transfer the finished bait into small covered containers or cotton balls placed inside shallow lids for precise placement. Use disposable or rubber gloves while mixing and placing bait, and change them if they become contaminated. Avoid touching your face, and do not eat or drink during the process. Store borax and mixed bait in clearly labeled containers out of reach of children and pets, and dispose of unused mixture by sealing in a plastic bag and placing it in an outdoor trash can. If any powder contacts skin, wash the area with soap and water promptly and remove contaminated clothing before continuing. If a person or pet swallows bait, seek medical or veterinary advice immediately and bring the product label or ingredient list for first responders. The 3 most common issues are skin exposure from direct handling, accidental ingestion by children or pets, and improper placement that reduces effectiveness. For skin exposure, wear disposable or rubber gloves and wash hands and any exposed skin immediately with soap and water, and launder clothing before reuse. To prevent ingestion, keep baits in covered containers. Place them in locations inaccessible to children and pets, such as behind appliances or inside elevated cabinets, and clearly label all containers. For placement problems, avoid applying bait on heavy traffic surfaces or where it will get wet because moisture dilutes attraction. Instead, use dry, sheltered spots near ant trails and replace baits every few days until activity stops. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors for projects related to pest control and general repairs, and it also helps contractors find work by listing opportunities and client leads. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange experience-driven tips and ask specific questions about safe, effective pest control and related home projects.